How to give access to Instagram business account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can give access to your Instagram business account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, you'll need to search for your Meta's Business Suite first. So head over to Meta's Business Suite. You can search for it on a web browser and you'll find Meta for Business. Head over here and you should be on your Meta's Business Suite. There you can see Meta Business Suite. After you do that, at the left hand side, you'll find the Settings option. Tap on Settings. After you tap on Settings, it should take you to this page. Now what you'll need to do is tap on Profiles again. And after you tap on Profiles, it should take you to this page right here. Then after you're here, you'll find People. Tap on People. If you don't find it, you can expand on the Users option and then tap on People. After you tap on People, it should take you to this page. And after you're here, all you now have to do is tap on Invite People. You'll find the Invite People option right here. After you tap on it, all you now have to do is enter an email address for your Instagram account. So make sure that you choose the email address of the Instagram account in which you want to give access to. After you type in the email, tap on Next. And now you can just select if you want to give them full access or just the basic. If you want, you can tap on Manage right here. That will give them access of everything. You can tap on the View Advanced options and then see if they can manage and view finances or not. After you've done with everything, tap on Next. And from here, you can then select Business Assets. From here, select whichever asset that you want. Then tap on Confirm Selection. Make sure that you have given the email address of your Instagram's account. Then now all you have to do is give them the access right here. You can see partial access contains content, community activities, and so on and on. After you've toggled on the necessary stuff, tap on Next. After you tap on Next, they will send an invitation to the the link below. And after that, you can tap on Invite with Asset and the link will be sent. After they accept the invitation, they will be able to use or they will have the access, and that's basically it. That's how you give access to Instagram business account. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.